Every homeowner or renter knows that having the right tools on hand can make life infinitely easier. From tackling minor repairs to enhancing your space with creative DIY projects, a well-equipped toolbox is an absolute necessity. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the essentials? In this video, we're highlighting 15 amazing tools that every home needs. These aren't just your standard hammer and nails. We're diving into innovative, versatile, and must-have gadgets that will elevate your home maintenance game. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or someone just starting out, these tools will ensure you're ready for any challenge, big or small. Let's explore the must-haves that make every home repair and improvement project not just doable, but downright enjoyable. Twintier RB401TE. The Max RB401TE Twintier stand-up rebar tying tool is a groundbreaking solution for efficient rebar tying. Its ergonomic design allows users to tie rebar while standing, significantly reducing strain during slab work. The tool's triggerless technology enables instant tying upon contact, completing a tie in approximately half a second, thereby enhancing productivity. With the capability to perform up to 4,600 ties per battery charge, it ensures prolonged operation on the job site. Additionally, the Twintier's wire pullback mechanism dispenses the precise amount of wire needed, minimizing waste and lowering costs. This innovative tool is an invaluable addition to any home toolkit, streamlining construction tasks and improving overall efficiency. ThoughBuild Posthole Digger, the ThoughBuild 48-inch carbon steel posthole digger is an essential tool for homeowners undertaking fence installations, deck supports, or planting tasks. Its heavy-gauge, reinforced riveted blades are engineered to penetrate various soil types with ease. The innovative pivot bolt design ensures effortless operation, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Large ergonomic molded grips provide enhanced comfort and control, making digging more efficient. Available at Lowe's, this posthole digger has received positive feedback for its durability and user-friendly features, with customers noting its sturdy construction and longer handles that facilitate easier digging. Geevorks Nail Gun. The Geevorks manual steel nail adjustable strength fastening tool is a versatile addition to any homeowner's toolkit. Designed for tasks ranging from woodworking to securing materials to cement walls, its adjustable strength feature allows users to customize the force applied, ensuring precision across various projects. Constructed with high hardness, thickened steel, the tool promises durability and longevity. An automatic slag discharge hole efficiently expels gunpowder residue and heat, enhancing safety during operation. Available at Walmart, this nail gun is a reliable choice for DIY enthusiasts seeking a balance between functionality and safety in their fastening tools. Geismar Narval. The Geismar Narval is a battery-powered rail drill designed for efficient and precise rail maintenance tasks. Weighing approximately 35 pounds, it is easily transportable and suitable for both venial and grooved rails. Its 2-speed settings accommodate both bits and twist drills, enhancing versatility. The quick clamping device ensures secure attachment to the rail, allowing for precise drilling at desired heights. With zero emissions and low vibration levels, the Narval offers a user-friendly experience, ideal for confined spaces. Its long-lasting battery supports approximately 28 holes of 1-inch diameter per charge, making it a reliable tool for rail professionals seeking mobility and efficiency. ThoughBuild Gelfit. The ThoughBuild Gelfit thigh support stabilization knee pads are a game-changer for anyone engaged in tasks requiring prolonged kneeling. Their ergonomic gel and foam design conforms to the knee and upper shin, providing exceptional comfort and even pressure distribution. The integrated thigh support keeps the knee centered, preventing unwanted rotation, while the lower platform elevates the shin, reducing ankle pressure. Users commend their durability and stability, though some note slight bulkiness and initial stiffness. Overall, these knee pads are a valuable addition to any toolkit, enhancing comfort and support during demanding projects. Tolsen Drywall Sander. The Tolsen Drywall Sander is a versatile tool designed to streamline wall and ceiling sanding tasks. Equipped with a powerful motor and variable speed settings, it allows users to adjust the sanding intensity to suit different surfaces. The integrated vacuum system efficiently captures dust, promoting a cleaner work environment and reducing cleanup time. Additionally, the built-in LED light illuminates the workspace, ensuring precision even in low light conditions. Users appreciate its ergonomic design, which reduces fatigue during extended use. Overall, the Tolsen Drywall Sander is a valuable addition to any DIY enthusiast toolkit, enhancing efficiency and delivering professional results in home improvement projects. Vaughan Rage. The Vaughan Rage 15-inch demolition multi-utility bar is a versatile tool that combines the functionalities of a hammer, pry bar, and nail puller, streamlining demolition tasks for homeowners and professionals alike. Constructed from forged steel, it offers exceptional durability and strength, capable of efficiently removing materials such as tile and wood. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, the Rage is designed for optimal balance and heft, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The double injection handle features a patented asymmetrical shape, providing maximum comfort and control during operation. Users have praised its ability to grip 2x4S effectively and perform prying and chipping tasks with ease. However, some have noted that the hard plastic grip is positioned too high, potentially affecting comfort during prolonged use. Overall, the Vaughan Rage is a valuable addition to any toolkit, enhancing efficiency and performance in demolition projects.
Tolsen Hand Riveter. The Tolsen Hand Riveter is a versatile tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its powder-coated aluminum alloy body ensures durability, while maintaining a lightweight profile for ease of use. The ergonomic handles, equipped with comfortable TPR grips, enhance user comfort during prolonged tasks. This riveter accommodates various rivet sizes, including 2.4, 3.2, 4, and 4.8 mm, making it suitable for a range of applications. Users have noted that while the tool is well constructed, it may require multiple squeezes to snap off the rivet mandrel, and some find it slightly awkward to operate single-handedly. Overall, the Tolsen Hand Riveter offers reliable performance and is a valuable addition to any toolkit.
Bosch PFS 7000. The Bosch PFS 7000 is a high-performance paint spray system designed to expedite painting tasks for homeowners and professionals. Its 1400 watts motor delivers rapid paint application at a rate of 4 square meters per minute, making it ideal for large indoor and outdoor projects. The all-paint technology allows for spraying various materials including wall paints, varnishes, and glazes without the need for dilution. Equipped with two sizable 1000mm paint containers, it minimizes interruptions for refilling, enhancing workflow efficiency. Users appreciate its fine paint atomization, which ensures even, drip-free coverage across different surfaces. The system's ergonomic design and long air hose provide flexibility and ease of use during extended painting sessions. Overall, the Bosch PFS 7000 is a reliable and efficient tool that delivers professional quality results, making it a valuable addition to any home improvement arsenal.
King Kombo 2.0, the Little Giant. King Kombo 2.0 is a versatile 3-in-1 ladder designed to meet various home improvement needs. It functions as an A-frame ladder, extension ladder, and leaning ladder, providing flexibility for tasks ranging from painting to light construction. Constructed with high-quality materials, the King Kombo 2.0 offers a robust load capacity of 375 pounds, ensuring safety and stability during use. Its lightweight design enhances portability, making it easy to move and store. Users have praised its stability, versatility, and lightweight nature, noting that it allows them to perform tasks in homes with 9 to 11-inch ceilings effectively.
Eibenstock Core Drill. The Eibenstock Core Drill is a high-performance tool designed for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Renowned for its robust construction and powerful motor, it efficiently drills through concrete, brick, and stone, making it ideal for tasks such as installing plumbing, electrical conduits, or ventilation systems. The drill's ergonomic design ensures user comfort during extended use, while its durable components contribute to longevity and reliability. Users have praised its efficiency and precision, noting that it significantly reduces drilling time compared to manual methods. However, some have mentioned that the drill's weight may be challenging for prolonged handheld use. Overall, the Eibenstock Core Drill is a valuable addition to any toolkit, offering professional-grade performance for demanding projects.
Hilti Nuron NRC 622.
The Hilti Nuron NRC 622 cordless rebar cutter is a high-performance tool designed for efficient and safe rebar cutting. Utilizing Hilti's Nuron battery platform, it offers cordless operation without compromising power. The cutter features Cermet-tipped blades that produce low sparks and heat, reducing fire hazards and enhancing safety on the job site. Its fully enclosed blade guard and adjustable 3-position side handle provide increased safety and control during operation. The NRC 6-22 delivers precise flush cuts up to 1/8 to the surface with a burr-free finish, minimizing the need for additional finishing work. Users have reported up to 122 cuts per charge on 20mm rebar, highlighting its efficiency and productivity benefits. Overall, the Hilti Nuron NRC 6-22 is a reliable and efficient tool for professionals seeking high-quality rebar cutting solutions.
Jessem Pocket Mill Pro.
The Jessem Pocket Mill Pro is a versatile tool designed to simplify mortise joinery for woodworkers of all skill levels. Crafted from anodized aluminum and stainless steel, it ensures durability and precision. The system utilizes a handheld drill to create mortises with a consistent depth of 0.050 inches per pass, achieving a maximum depth of just over 1 inch. This design allows for efficient and accurate mortise cutting without the need for specialized equipment. Users have noted that while the Pocket Mill Pro offers a cost-effective alternative to systems like the Festool Domino, it may not be as quick or convenient for larger projects. However, for small to medium-sized tasks, it provides a reliable and affordable solution.
Vevor Pipe Blockage Detector Locator. The Vevor Pipe Blockage Detector Locator is a practical tool designed to identify and locate blockages in various types of pipes, including PVC, plastic, and metal. Equipped with a 100-foot signal line, it offers a detection range of up to 40 centimeters for non-metal pipes and 15 centimeters for metal pipes, facilitating efficient blockage identification. The device features an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring reliable performance in both wet and dry conditions. Its adjustable sensitivity allows users to tailor detection capabilities to specific needs, enhancing versatility. The inclusion of 8 spare waterproof probes ensures durability and longevity. Users have noted that while the device is effective for non-professional use, it may require careful handling and listening, especially when dealing with deeper pipes. Overall, the Vevor Pipe Blockage Detector Locator is a valuable addition to any toolkit, offering a cost-effective solution for pipe maintenance and blockage detection.
Klein Tools Coolapsible Dust Bowl. The Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl is designed to contain debris when using hole saws, keeping your workspace clean. It accommodates hole saws up to 6'3" 8" in diameter and arbors up to 1/2 inch. The vacuum port fits common hose sizes 114, 178, and 212 inches for efficient dust extraction. Its dual material construction provides support during cuts and flexibility as you progress. The bowl collapses for easy storage. However, some users have reported issues with durability, such as the dust catcher bowl cracking or breaking easily. Additionally, there are mixed opinions on the effectiveness of the dust containment, with some users noting that debris can still escape, staining ceilings and walls. Overall, while the Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl offers convenience and functionality, it's important to consider these potential drawbacks before purchasing.